Right. What's up, guys? Baby Martin. All right, so starting with the grips, I got Demolition grips, BSD bar ends from Patrick. I got the Dennis Anderson Demolition bars. I have a Colt Salvation stem. Headset, not quite sure, just a headset. Forks, I have the S&M wide mouth forks. My tires are both Dennis Anderson Demolitions. My front wheel is Primo N4 NFL. All my pegs are Demolition. My pedals are Tree. My cranks are Garrett Reynolds Fiend, rode by him. My sprocket is a Madeira, not sure. My chain is Primo Half Link. I have a Primo hub guard. My back rim is Demolition Free Coaster. And my frame is an S&M BTM. I have a Primo seat. And yeah, that's my bike.